Hello, welcome back to Drum Club with Mr. Scott Evans. This is our third week. This week I'm wearing my Crystal Palace kit, which I hope doesn't put you off too much, but a big congratulations to any Liverpool fans out there on beating Crystal Palace and then winning the league this week. Hats off to you, great season, well done. What I want to do with Drum Club today is very briefly just show you that you don't need a drum kit to be able to enjoy your drumming. I've got behind me a very simple setup which anyone can do, and I'll show you that in a minute. But first of all, just want to talk about drumsticks again. So remember, I was saying about getting yourself some drumsticks. You can order these online, they're not very expensive. These are 7As. My first ever pair of drumsticks were 5As. That's the kind of stick I'd recommend to someone starting out. If you can't get hold of drumsticks, you can just use wooden spoons, have a very similar effect. And I've just found some big chopsticks in the kitchen as well that I use when I'm cooking with a wok. So you might find something like this in the kitchen as well. And then behind me, what I've got is a very simple setup. I've got a stool in front of me. I've put a tambourine there, which I'm going to play with my right hand. And that plays the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with your right hand. Remember the music that I showed you last week? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And the left hand is going to play this tissue box, which is going to be the snare. So we're going to be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And obviously I haven't got a bass drum here, but you can stamp your foot and get the bass drum sound. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then on your tissue box you can be practicing your paradiddles. Remember I was showing you that downstroke, the upstroke, the tap stroke. And what I thought might be good this week would be for you to try and put the rhythms that we're playing alongside the paradiddles. So we're going to do a bar of rhythm, then a bar of paradiddles. So the paradiddle bar will be paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. We're going to play 4 accents, 4 loud beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go to your rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, simple setup, putting together the things that we've been learning from the first few weeks. Putting together those rhythms and the paradiddles, trying to play it consistently, nice and smoothly. Hope you're feeling that's something you can have a go at, and a simple setup like that is all you need to get yourself going. Alright? Have a good week. See you next time.